In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize ClickUp for effective project management. We'll walk through a simple yet comprehensive guide that will help you get started with ClickUp, a versatile project management tool designed to enhance your team's productivity and collaboration. First things first, let's go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to ClickUp. Once the homepage loads up, if you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up. It's straightforward, just follow the instructions to get started. If you're returning, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now that you're in, let's delve into the heart of ClickUp's functionality, Spaces. Think of Spaces as the foundational structure where all your projects, tasks, and teams come together. It's where you begin organizing your workflow. When you're in ClickUp, you'll find Spaces in your dashboard. Here, start by creating a new space. Click on the Create Space button and give it a name that reflects the overview of your team's project. Spaces are great for keeping everything organized and compartmentalized according to need or project type. Once your space is set up, you can start creating a team within it. ClickUp allows you to add team members easily. Just invite them via email and they'll receive notifications to join. With your team in place, it's time to create a project. In ClickUp, projects are nested under Spaces and help you manage specific goals. Next, let's move on to creating a folder within your project. Folders are helpful in breaking down larger projects into digestible parts. They serve as a tool to categorize tasks and streamline the workflow within a project. You might have folders for different stages of a project, for instance, planning, execution, and review phases. After your folders are set, consider uploading files that your team will need or reference during the project. ClickUp supports various file types, making it a breeze to keep all resources and important documents in one place. This step is crucial for minimizing confusion and ensuring everyone in your team is on the same page. Now let's talk about managing tasks. In ClickUp, tasks are the fundamental elements. You can create them under any folder. Start by clicking on the Add Task button, then assign it to team members, set due dates, and include all necessary details like descriptions and checklists. Tasks can be updated with current status, comments, and due dates, providing everyone with a clear picture of project progress. And that's it. With these basics, you now have a structured approach to organizing, managing, and executing projects efficiently in ClickUp. As you grow more familiar with the platform, you'll discover even more features to optimize your workflow. Thanks for tuning in and get ready to take your project management to the next level.